Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can open a bank account in Argentina. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. You can see if I open up a browser and search for commercial banks in Argentina, a list of banks will be displayed. The top one is ABN AMRO Bank, so I will open a new tab and access its official website. Now, if I scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on Personal Banking Embed, a new tab will open up. Here, click on Open a New Account, and it will ask if you want to create an account for myself, for us together, for my child, or an additional account. I will select for myself. Now, you can either follow the video tutorial or just follow the steps mentioned below. The first one is to download the app. After that, submit a proof of your identity and then upload extracts from Municipal Personal Records database. Once you have done the above things, upload your picture, answer some questions, and at last, your application will be answered within 4 hours. It will tell you if your application was approved or not. And that's how you can open a bank account in Argentina. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.